Hi there, here's a new smartwatch from Fire-Boltt, the Falcon. Really cool name. It's priced at just $1,999 and I'd say it's basic yet a complete smartwatch. I mean, for 2,000 rupees, you get a 1.83-inch display, you get Bluetooth calling, you get AI voice assistant, you get 100 plus sports modes, heart rate sensor, speedo sensor, और बताओ क्या चाहिए इतने में? By the way, there's something really exciting coming from Fire-Boltt on 31st January. Of course, we'll be covering that as well, but if you want to take a guess, write down in the comments and share your thoughts about it. Should be fun. Coming back, let's quickly unbox it and review it so you can decide if you should buy the smartwatch or not. Let's begin. So here is the retail packaging of the Fire-Boltt Falcon. You can see the image of the watch, Bluetooth calling, 100 plus sports modes, Mahindra Dhoni aapke saath. Towards the back you have some key features mentioned here, QR code for the app, MRP of 9,990, but don't worry, you can get this for just 2,000. Some more features mentioned here and some more mentioned here. We'll cover all those in detail in this video. Let's quickly open it up. Inside the box, right on the top, is the watch itself. Lots of paperwork, which includes the user manual, Ghana coupon, book my show, and some more like these. And finally, a pogo pin charging cable that magnetically aligns and attaches to the charging terminals of the watch. Alright, closer look at the watch. First, we'll get rid of this sticker and we'll also get rid of this plastic. This is basically there to prevent any kind of scratches to the buckle. So you get a square dial, as you can see. The frame has this matte black finish which doesn't attract any fingerprints or smudges. Oh, by the way, there's also a speaker here which is going to be helpful for phone calls. On the other side, you can spot the single button again with a microphone here at the bottom, helpful for phone calls. We get a plastic back and this houses the heart rate sensor, speedo sensor and the charging terminals up here. Speaker, as we told you already. Now these are soft silicone straps, 20mm bands with a buckle strap, Fire-Boltt branding right here. These are really nice and comfortable, can be swapped with other third-party bands. Simply pull this hook mechanism, not coming off, and there you go. So really simple to remove and change with different colors. It's fairly simple. Alright, to pair the watch, we take our smartphone, go to the Play Store and download the Dafit app. By the way, this app is also available for iOS on the App Store. You click open, go to the second option, click on add device, press and hold the button on the side. There'll be a vibration alert. You'll see the name here, click, and the first process is done. Then there'll be a pop-up, click on this. Make sure you allow your contacts access so that when the caller calls you, you can see the caller's name on the watch. Click pair. Now you're done. This watch comes with IP67 rating, so wear it at the gym, wear it for a run, wear it in the rain, in fact even wear it in the pool because this watch comes with swim tracking. Alright, let's have a quick look at the display. As you press this button on the side, it wakes up the display, and this is a 1.83-inch LCD display with a resolution of 240 by 284 pixels. It's actually quite nice. The color reproduction is really nice for an LCD display. The text is crisp. Here you can see even the smallest text is very easily readable. Really nice. The interface is also really smooth, as you can see, very responsive, no problem at all. Talking about the bezels, we'll just change the watch face, which will give you a better idea. Now if you look at this one, you can see that the bezels are pretty small. It's a little thicker at the bottom, but overall I can say that the bezels are quite slim. We actually wore the watch outdoors during the day and you can see that the panel gets really bright. Even under direct sunlight, it's clearly visible. Now even if you have a watch face that is more black, the rest of the text really stands out and is very clear. Easily you can use this watch outdoors. Now having a quick look at the interface, obviously first thing is the pre-installed watch faces, press and hold, and there are about 5 or 6 that come pre-installed. Check this one out. Very smartly it has black around the edges which blends with the bezels. Really nice. Swipe from up to access the quick toggles. This is the phone calling feature. If it's green, that means phone calling is enabled. Then you can control the brightness from here. This is for water. Shake and tilt the watch to help the water drain out. Really nice. Then this one is to change the menu view. You have honeycomb view. A lot of people really like this. Then there's also list style, which personally I prefer. Then there's also grid style. Choose what you like. And finally there's torch and there's settings, display settings, vibration and ringtone. You can choose the vibration alerts, you can choose the intensity. Then there's do not disturb mode, phone mode can be turned on or off, low power mode, phone reset, system, about. Now if you swipe right, you can access the menu. You have activity, phone calling, heart rate, sleep tracking, SpO2, exercise records, weather, messages, AI voice assistant, camera shutter, music player to control the music that's playing on your phone, alarms. You can set the alarm from the app, but you can only turn it on and off from the watch. Then there's timer, stopwatch, flashlight, find phone. There are games. We have 3 games that come pre-installed: Battleship, 2048, Floppy Bird. It's fun, but always remember it will take some of your battery. Oh, actually that's a really big display. Now that you are playing this game, you can actually realize how big the display is. It's actually quite good. Anyway, I'm not good at this game, so we'll let go. Further, there's calculator, again a very handy app on the smartwatch, and finally settings. Overall, a really nice and easy to use interface, very smooth and responsive. Now let's check out phone calling. So we'll take our phone, we'll go to the phone calling app, recent call, dial pad and contacts. By the way, yes, you can make and receive phone calls on this watch. We're going to the dial pad and randomly dialing a number, click dial, and here you can see the phone call is being done. The audio you're hearing is right now from the speaker on the watch. It's very clear and crisp. You can mute the call, you can transfer this call to the phone, you can control the volume and end the call directly from the watch itself. Super convenient. And similarly, you can also answer incoming calls directly on your watch. You can see the caller's name, you can mute the call, you can answer the call or reject the call. Now, as you answer the call, you can talk directly using your smartwatch. You can mute the mic, you can transfer this call to the phone, you can control the volume from here, and you can end the call directly from the watch. The call quality experience is pretty good indoors and also quite clear both ways. The other person never complained of any disturbance or echo. However, the speaker volume is loud but not too loud. And as I said, indoors it's good enough, outdoors you might struggle to hear. So stick to quick short calls when outdoors. Coming to health tracking. So just to check if the sensors are trustable, we placed the watch on the box and it said, wear the watch and try again. So we wore it and checked the heart rate. And just in a couple of seconds, we got the readings. Also tested the SpO2 sensor and we got 96%. But remember, this is a smartwatch and you can't totally rely on these readings. So use it just for your reference and not for medical purposes. It also comes with AI voice app. So it uses your Android phone's Google Assistant, where you can ask it general trivia questions, the weather, and you can hear the answer on the watch speaker. The voice that you hear on the watch from the assistant is really low. That's kind of a hitch. But also remember, this will work with Siri if you're using it with an iPhone. Coming to workouts and fitness tracking, this watch comes with over 100 plus workout modes. To access them, go to the menu and go down to exercise. Starts with walking, running, cycling, open workout, badminton, swimming. Yes, this watch also comes with swimming on board. Then there's tennis, rugby, there's golf, there's yoga, there's dancing, click the plus sign. More popular sports, water sports, there's sailing, there's water polo, there's paddleboard, there's water skiing, kayaking, rafting, rowing. My God, I didn't even know so many water sports are there. My God. So training, dance workouts, winter workouts, relaxation sports, ball sports, everything that you can think out is available here. We briefly wore the watch for an outdoor workout. Here you can see the time of workout, see the beats per minute, the pace, your heart rate. There's so much detail right here. Now once you end your workout, it gives you even more detail right here. So easy to access. Coming to the battery. Well, we don't have the exact size of the battery, but I checked with Fire-Boltt and they said it should last you a week with typical use. But if you're using it for phone calls all the time, then maximum 2 days. Let's have a quick look at the Darfit Companion app. So right here on the home page, you can see all your workout and health related data, steps tracking, sleep tracking, heart rate, blood oxygen levels, outdoor workouts, your walking workouts. In the second option, you can see that the watch is paired. You can see the battery percentage. You can see some of the pre-installed watch faces. You can come to the face gallery, and from here you can download tons of more watch faces. The collection is huge. Check that out. Digital, analog, so colorful and amazing. And if you like something, just select it and click download. Then of course you can also set custom watch faces. Come here, choose image from the gallery, select, you can change the time position and click save. And there you go, custom watch face is set. Next is notification. You can choose from which apps you want notifications and from which apps you don't. You can set alarm times from here, camera shutter, favorite contacts. In others, you can choose time format, 12-hour or 24-hour, continuous heart rate detection. You can completely turn it off or set a 30-minute interval time. Quick view reminders, drink water reminders, heart rate warning, weather, psychological cycle reminder, which is menstrual cycle reminder for women. Further, in the last option, you can set goals, you can share data with Google Fit, which I believe is a very handy feature. Overall, a very simple and easy to use interface of the Darfit companion app. Alright, final thoughts. Well, for $1,999, there's really nothing to complain. It's got all that you need in a smartwatch in this price range. The Fire-Boltt Falcon goes on sale on 23rd of January, Monday 23rd January, and it's priced at $1,999 as I mentioned earlier. You can buy it from the Fire-Boltt website and offline stores as well. I'll share the purchase links below. If you like to buy one, you should definitely check it out. So I hope this video was helpful. Don't forget to like, share and subscribe. Until next time, cheers.